Welcome back, everybody. Uh, Here you can see I'm working on Take It Racing 2 in GB Studio, and I've unfortunately encountered some issues with the limitations of the hardware. Obviously, GB Studio is made to run on a Game Boy, so there are a lot of limitations. For example, you're only allowed 30 actors, I think, in a scene. But those 30 actors are only allowed to use 25 frames. And a frame is basically your sprite has different frames. Each 16 by 16 uh, space is a frame. And for example, here this is like an outline for selecting the date in the calendar, and each of these frames uh, basically it just animates it so it looks like it's alive in a way, and that it highlights it on the screen for you. But the reason why I'm talking about this is because I'm trying to set up my money system, um, and I was trying to optimize the the money to display as a larger number as possible. So obviously, first of all, I made it display tens, and there's no unit value. It's tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions, right? So for each of these, I have an actor, and each actor shows two uh, two values basically, but it's or one value, but the values go up to 99 from 0 to 99. Uh, so so yeah, it displays as high a number as possible. But the problem is because it only displays 25 frames, having uh, those 99 different frames of the sprites does not work. And obviously, in a game in like Unity or something, this would be fine. Or actually, in Unity, you would just have each of them being their own separate sprite, and from 0 to 9, uh, and that would be the way you would optimize it, right? Because there's no point having 0 to 99. But obviously, if you're only able to have 250, then the 25 value of the frames would be fine, because you could only display 0 to 25. You can hide it on 0, and on 25 you display 25, and in between you do the rest. So what I'm thinking of doing to display a million value now is to break this up into 4 sprites, because the maximum in a row is 4. You're only allowed 4 sprites in a row before it starts messing with the visualization of it. For example, if I bring my player into this, one of these actors will be hidden basically because it doesn't want to display 5 at once. Uh, so what I'll do is I'll have uh, actually yeah I will have 4. I will have 4, and the last one will basically display the basically the unit. For example, like how many of it is it? Is it thousands, uh, hundreds of thousands, millions? So this will display a K or an M, I'm guessing. I'm predicting I will do. And then it will have, for example, if it's 1,000 value, it will have like 25 uh, K, right? And then and then if it has 25.4, it'll be 25.4 K. And then if it gets into the millions, it will be if it's 20 million, it'll be 20M. And if it's 20.5, then 20.5M. And that'll be how I will do it from now on, just because the limitations that GB Studio and the Game Boy has. So yeah, I'll probably do an update on that when I get it in. But I can also show you around what I have so far as well. So currently I've got some um, basic testing artwork. It doesn't have full functionality, but it has a lot of what I am thinking. For example, this displays the dealer used cars auction. Currently, obviously, dealer only works, so you can buy cars. You can't sell them, you can't auction them, and you can't buy used cars yet. But that will be in the full game. This will be just the demo and the prototype and the testing for now. Currently, I have 3 cars based on Ford Coupe, Hudson Hornet, and a Plymouth V6 car, all from the 50s. You'll be in the game. You'll be starting in 1950, and you'll be participating in races and going through time, and using that money to buy newer cars and to win newer races. And the calendar is what keeps track of your time. So you'll be able to enter, for example, stock car racing. The qualifier, if you complete the qualifier, then you're entered into race 1, and then you wait. You obviously time passes, and you can enter race 2, race 3. If you go through the months, or the months was actually seasons, then you can enter the other races, and the date would be updated, and you improve your driver skill, win money to enter different races. So yeah, that's it for now. That's the update on Take It Racing 2. Thanks for watching. Any comments or anything, please leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe for more. If you enjoyed this video, just watch it again.